So we're going to go for lunch now. So let me show you how you can submit your morning work. Click on the logo, Code Academy, at the top left of the page of the website. Scroll down until you see Learn How to Code. There are three sections in here, and the first section should be completed. When a section is completed, you'll see that there's a yellow check mark, so everything underneath Basic Programming 1 should have a yellow check mark, and when we return from lunch, we will continue with Basics of Programming Part 2, Part 3. So press Print Screen on your keyboard, and then copy this into WordPad. And that's what you will be uploading to the TIP FP webpage.